Update KB5062660 not installing, error code 0x800f081f on Windows 11. Why error code 0x800f081f happens. This error usually means Windows can't find the required update files, often due to corrupt update cache, .NET Framework component issues, disabled required services, conflicting group policy settings. Step-by-step fixes. 1. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. 1. Press Windows I to open Settings. 2. Go to System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters. 3. Find Windows Update and click Run. 4. Let it detect and fix problems. 2. Enable .NET Framework 3.5. 1. Press Windows R, type optional features.exe, press Enter. 2. Check .NET Framework 3.5 includes .NET 2.0 and 3.0. 3. Click OK and let it install. Open quote, this fixes most 0x800f081f errors caused by missing components, close quote. #3. Use DISM and SFC to repair system. Run these commands in command prompt as administrator. You can see the code in our conversation history. Wait for each to finish. Restart your PC afterward. 4. Clear Windows Update cache. 1. Open command prompt as administrator. Run. You can see the code in our conversation history. 2. Go to C, Windows, Software Distribution, and delete all files. 3. Then run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Try installing the update again. 5. Install the update manually. 1. Go to the official Microsoft Update Catalog. Please open your app to see this link. 2. Search KB5062660. Download the correct version, x64 or ARM64, for in the .msu file to install manually. 6. Temporarily disable group policy if enterprise managed. 1. Press Windows R, type gpedit.msc. 2. Go to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, System, specify settings for optional component installation. 3. Double-click and set it to enabled and check Download Repair Content from Windows Update. 7. Use Windows Update Assistant. If manual methods fail, 1. Go to www.microsoft.com/software-download/Windows 11. Please open your app to see this link. 2. Download on the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. 3. It will force install the latest cumulative updates. Optional. Reset Windows Update components, full reset. Use this script to reset all update services. You can see the code in our conversation history, then restart and check for updates again. Bonus tip, clean boot. If it still fails, try a clean boot to eliminate background app conflicts. 1. Type msconfig, go to Services, check Hide Microsoft Services, click Disable All. 2. Go to Startup tab, open Task Manager, disable all. 3. Restart your PC and try the update again. Final notes. Error 0x800f081f is usually component related, especially with .NET or corrupted update files. Manual install or update assistant works 90% of the time if other methods fail. If you'd like, I can give you a ready-to-use PowerShell or batch script to